So, let's do this. Last pitched. Oh my gosh. Bro, these guys are hacking. Where are they coming? What? Okay. What?
You should play Roblox.
I don't want to play Roblox.
There is a Fortnite Roblox.
I don't care about Roblox.
I'm playing Fortnite Roblox.
My God, bro, he's playing.
I can't believe I have Fortnite Roblox.
Oh my gosh.
Sam, do you like Fortnite?
Yes, I do, but I don't want to play Roblox.
This is
It's a knockoff version.
So look.
Well, I don't care. It's a knockoff version. Oh, that's Sasuke's skin.
Oh!
Excuse me, cringe vibes.
You can't go on here.
Shush, Will. I'm doing this. There's like 58 people here.
Oh, I have 9 people. Ah! How'd you get the guns? How'd you do this?
Mm.
Oh no, I died. I don't know how to say.
I don't know, Will.
Oh my gosh, how do you do this? Is, what? How do you do this?
I don't know, Will, okay? It's Fortnite Roblox.
Okay, so
You...
okay, I'm gonna get a gun. I don't have one. How do you even aim at it?
My God, these sprayers! That's all they do. Spray, spray, spray.
Go away. Boy,
Oof.
Come in. These people are
Oh,
good.
stop shouting.
I know how to play the Fortnite Roblox.
I don't care about Roblox, Will. It's the crappiest, most rip-off game.
What?
It's not official. I don't care that 5 billion people play it.
This is Nigeria.
Who is this gun? So bad. This one.
Yes, I got him. I got someone. I got someone. Sorry. Somebody else. Maybe just got him. So I'm gonna split this.
Oh, boom. Oh, everything. Oh my god. Mother bitch.
Yes, I got everyone. Wait, where did this woman go? Yes, I won. Wait. Yes. What the? What is this? Oh, you can go and
Mm.